Hey guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Alright guys, I had to take care of something and I was going to talk to them, but I didn't. I had to take care of some things right quick, but here they come, guys. They're on their way to Valiant. I'm here in Garvin, Oklahoma tonight. I want to see if I can catch me another train. Woo! Woo, that was a long one. About the same distance as the other one last night. Oh, that's actually a rare center beam with the oval shaped in the center. That's really rare to catch one of those with the Union Pacific logo on it. That's really cool. I get to catch my friends. My cousin got into an accident, so I had to help him and stuff like that. I had to put him first and then do this. So guys, share, comment, and press the notification bell below to subscribe. If you haven't already, please do. Catch you guys later. March now. I want to see if I can try to catch me another train if I can. Alright guys, catch you guys later. March now. Thanks for watching. See you in my next adventure on the Kiamichi Road known as the KRR, owned by the Genesee in Wyoming. Catch you guys later. Marching out.